Nowadays, AI is everywhere, so why not create designs using AI? So today we will learn how we can create designs using ChatGPT in Canva. So let's get started. Open any browser and search ChatGPT. If you are a new user, you need to log in. I have already logged in. So go to explore GPTs. In trending, you can go to Canva, start chat. So here you have few options. You can also create your own options. I'll select I need a poster for our online store seasonal sale. It will ask you to allow to create designs in Canva. Click on allow. So these are the few options. If you like any of them and want to edit anyone, just click on it. I will open this by clicking on it. Here you can customize your text. Similarly, let's try our own design. Let's start new one, new chat. Let's type create an inspirational / motivating post for corporate office in A4 size. Click on allow. If you like any one of them, just click on it and edit it. I know these designs cannot be used for final output, but this can be updated. Will give you a basic framework which later on you can work on it. Try this and let me know in the comment section was it helpful or not.